Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I was inspired by a Bath & Body Works item to recreate a beautiful Halloween candle holder with a Dollar Tree product. So Bath & Body Works has brought out their fall and Halloween collection, and one of the things I kept seeing was like this snake and rose kind of design on a bunch of them. They had like the candle holders, they had the soap holders, they had the Germex holder, even the plugins, and I really liked how the snake and the rose looked together. I saw it online, but I even saw it in stores, and it looked even prettier in stores once they, kind of styled it with their candles. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. But then I saw the soap holder, and that one was the one that I found the most pretty because I loved how the roses were red and they popped over the gold and the black. The other one was really pretty too, but I really liked how the soap holder was with the pops of red and the gold and the black. So I was like absolutely in love with that one. And then I went to Dollar Tree, and in the Dollar Tree Plus section I saw this candle holder for $3 that had the snake on it, and I thought it was like a sign that I was like, I have to make this over to look like what I saw in Bath & Body Works. I wasn't going to make it over to look like exactly like the other one, like the gold one. You can, if you like the gold, just gold and black, you could do it like that, but I really like the pops of red on the soap holder, so that was my inspiration, and that's how I was going to recreate this one and make over this one to look kind of like the soap holder. So the first thing I did was I painted the snake gold, and this gold paint I got it at Walmart. So while the paint is drying on the snake, I'm going to move on to the roses. Now I'm going to give you guys a couple options for this. Now Dollar Tree this year has these foam roses that they brought out during Valentine's Day and also the springtime, but now they brought out some in some Halloween colors. So you can actually pick up a bag of these and use them for this DIY, but I'm going to share with you guys how I did a little bit differently. I'm actually going to take this fondant mold, this rose fondant mold that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to fill it up with hot glue and then use that for my roses. I'll spray paint it the red that I want, and it comes out looking so realistic. I can't take the credit for this this idea. I actually found this idea on Instagram on an account called Home Good DIYs. She makes such amazing DIYs on there, and she made this DIY fall decor last year where she basically took some of these rose molds and these leaf molds, and she put hot glue in them and then peeled them off and then spray painted them gold for this pumpkin DIY. They came out so pretty. I'll link it down below, her account and that video. It's on Instagram. It came out absolutely amazing, so I definitely wanted to give her credit because I like to give credit where credit's due. And so as you can see, look when I pull it out of the molds, it looks so perfect. And the key to this is you want to make sure that your glue is really, really hot so that it goes into all the little cracks and crevices perfectly. Now what I did was I took these little scissors from Dollar Tree to cut off the excess before I spray paint it, because you don't want to have all this excess on it that doesn't look right, because once you spray paint it, it looks awful. So you want to make sure you cut all that off. But definitely check out that video that she did in her channel down below, because I have to give her credit. This came out so cute. If it wasn't for the fact that she shared that on her channel or her account, I wouldn't have been able to have this idea, and this thing wouldn't have came out how perfect it did. Look at how beautiful this rose looks with just, it's not even spray painted yet. Look at how beautiful it looks. It looks so realistic. Now the color I'm going to use is a spray paint. I'm going to spray paint it red, and I'm using this majestic red. Out of all the reds that I saw in the store, I thought that this one was the most perfect for like Halloween, kind of like that theme kind of red for Halloween, and also it looked more I think it looked similar to the one of Bath & Body. So that's the one I got. I got high gloss and majestic red, and look at how beautiful this came out, guys. Look at it. It looks so nice, and once I attach it to the candle holder, it looks just like it was, like I bought it like that. It was meant to be. Now for the leaves, I'm also going to take another silicone mold. This one I also got from Hobby Lobby, and right now all the fall stuff is 40% off, so you can actually get this around the same price as you get some Dollar Tree molds. And I'm going to use this row right here because this row is actually it has the leaves that are similar to the ones that I saw on the Bath & Body Works one. So they have like 4 different styles on this mold, but this one was the one that looked more similar to the Bath & Body Works candle leaves. So I'm just going to fill that one up, fill them all up, and then I'm going to trim them as well, the excess, just like I did the rose, and then I'm actually going to spray paint this one black. Now, depending on how you want your snake to look, that's how many coats of the gold paint you put on it. If you want it to look exactly like the Bath & Body Works one, you would only have to do one coat, because they had it to where you can see the black coming through like the little scales. But I wanted mine to be really gold, so I did 2 coats. And I know you can see that I went over the lines of some of them. I am going to touch this up at the end, but I'm going to touch it up after I put the roses and leaves on, so that way I only touch up what people can see. So now that everything is done, I'm ready to assemble everything. And all I did was I looked at the picture of the soap holder and used that as a guide, and just started attaching my roses and my leaves. And what I did was I kind of laid it out first to see if I put the rose down before I glued it down. I wanted to see if I was able to put the leaves underneath them or tuck them underneath them, because the leaves look better when the leaves look better when they're tucked under the roses. I also added some leaves just to the bottom as well, and just different parts of the candlestick, but it looks better when you have it like kind of tucked under the roses. So make sure before you glue your roses down that you will be able to tuck your little leaves in, so that way if that's the look you're going for, you don't want to glue down the roses and then you're not able to tuck in the leaves. So always lay it out first, and then decide how you want to decide how you want to do it before you glue it down. And here's how it turned out, you guys. And I am so in love with this DIY. Sometimes I have ideas and I never know how good it's going to come out, but this came out better than I imagined. Look how beautiful it is. As you could tell, I touched up the paint, so there's no gold paint seeping over to the black. And look how realistic this looks. I mean, like how it all came together. It looks like I bought this, guys. It looks so nice. I'm so happy that I saw that idea from Home Goods DIY, because this idea with having the hot glue, roses, and leaves makes it look so realistic, and it just all comes together. I love how this turned out. And this is a side by side, so you can see how it looked before and how it looks now. Way different. I have to make more because my sister fell in love with this, and so she wants one, so I have to make one for her and one for my house. I just styled it with this little like candle holder and a candle from Dollar Tree, but you can also put your favorite candles on top of this as well. I haven't found any ones that I want for like a fall scent. They haven't brought out the fall scents that I normally like and I like to decorate with in Walmart. That's where I usually get it from. So I didn't put, my favorite scent yet, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of how you can put one of the Dollar Tree vases and, a candle holder, Dollar Tree candle holders, and put a Dollar Tree candle in it, and it looks just as beautiful. So you can do either or. You could put your favorite, scent ones on there, or you can just put a Dollar Tree candle holder and a Dollar Tree candle inside it, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Another idea that I wanted to share with you guys on what you can put on top of this candle holder is you can make a spooky candle from one of these LED light candles that they have at Dollar Tree. Just get the white one and get some red puff paint and just add some drips to it, and it makes it like a spooky candle, perfect for Halloween. So if you wanted to add a little extra spookiness to your candle holder, this would be a perfect candle to put on top of it. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed making this DIY, and now after seeing how great these like molds came out, with these hot glue molds came out. I have so many ideas to make more things with these, you know, hot glue and molds coming up for other DIYs. And stay tuned because I have some more Bath & Body Works inspired Halloween DIYs coming up, and also Christmas ones. So put those notifications on and follow me if you haven't followed me already, because there are DIYs that are coming up for you guys that are inspired by Bath & Body Works and other things that I've seen online and at stores that are much more. So you don't want to miss out on any of these future videos. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.